Forces of good over evil. Let us celebrate this auspicious day to begin new things in life. A very warm morning to our principal ma'am, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I, Dhruv Shukla of Shamrock's house, welcome you all to this special assembly on occasion of Dushehra. Dushehra or Navratri is among the most popular festivals celebrated in India. Dushehra is celebrated with great enthusiasm and rituals across the country. It is observed on the 10th day in the Hindu calendar month of Ashwin, the 7th month of Hindu lunar solar calendar. This festival signifies the victory of good over evil and the resurgence of hope.
Everyone, today's news is being presented by Shravan Rai. The national news for the day is as follows. Double shot, 1/3 of citizens fully vaccinated against COVID infection in Lucknow. Festival of Unity, a Durga Puja, hosted by Hindus and Muslims. CBSE to announce board 2021-22. Class 10th and 12th date sheet any day and time between 12 to 15 October on their official site. The international news for the day as follows. China has won AI battle with US, Pentagon's ex-software chief says. Unvaccinated children under age 12 and below allowed to enter Singapore. Preparation underway to reopen Riau Island to tourists for some same countries on Thursday. The sports news for the day is as follows. I hope to keep playing and scoring in foreseeable future, said by Chennai. Mumbai in the marches as India cheers the Tokyo hockey high. My target is to play the Asian Cup, say Bala Devi. Thank you.
India is a land of diversity, land of distinct culture and colorful festivals. Each festival has its own meaning and purpose. The Dushehra festival has its own inherent values. From the first day of Hindi Ashwin month in Shukla Paksh by English calendar between September and October, 10-day celebration of Durga Puja and Ramlila begins. These 10 festive days are widely celebrated with great pomp and show. In the northern part of India, Dushehra is celebrated for the victory of Lord Rama over Ravan. In the eastern part of India, Dushehra is celebrated in respect of goddess Durga. It is popularly known as Vijay Dushehra. The occasion is celebrated in different ways in the entire nation. Dummies of the demon king Ravan, Kumbhakaran and Meghnad are burned. As the word Dashmi means 10 and Vijay means victory, these 10-day celebration represents the triumph of God over evil, the triumph of Lord Rama over Ravan, and the victory of Shakti over demon Mahisasura. The term Dushehra in Sanskrit also means getting rid of 10 evils. The 10 heads of Ravan represents 10 evils. Dushehra not only brings joy but also inspires us to win over our bad instincts, take a stand of good ground and protect our rights and perform our duties by good deeds and pure thoughts. Dushehra teaches us an important lesson that good always triumphs over evil and importance of righteousness and integrity in our lives. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
दशहरा पर्व पे एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है दशहरा। आशा करता हूँ सभी को अच्छी लगेगी। रावण शिव का परम भक्त था, बहुत बड़ा था ज्ञानी, दस सिर भी सुन जाओ वाला, दस सिर भी
बाद श्री राम अपनी वानर सेना के साथ लंका पर आक्रमण कर देते हैं। आक्रमण! राम और रावण में घोर युद्ध होता है। रावण को तीर लगता है। जय श्री राम! रावण को मारकर सीता को उनकी कैद से मुक्त कर देते हैं। रावण बुराई व असत्य का प्रतीक माना जाता है। उसने छल से माता सीता का हरण किया था। राम ने रावण को मारकर सीता को उनकी कैद से मुक्त किया व सच्चाई का चरितार्थ किया। धन्यवाद। नहीं, इसी उपलक्ष्य में विजयादशमी अर्थात दशहरा मनाया जाता है।
खुशियों संगे लावी, संगे लावी। हर हाय हयो हाय हाय आजानी के